In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Notion page to another account. This is really useful if you have multiple workspaces, or you use one account for work and another for personal projects, and you want to move a page, like a goals tracker, from one place to another without rebuilding it from scratch. First, open the Notion page you want to copy. In this example, I'm using a goals tracker database, but the process is exactly the same for any page, database, or dashboard you've set up. Make sure you're logged into the account that currently owns the page. At the top right of the page, look for the Share button and click it. This is where you control who has access to your page and what they're allowed to do. To move a page between accounts, you're essentially going to share the page with your other account, then duplicate it from there. In the Sharing panel, look for the option to add a new rule or new share. This is where you'll define how your second account can interact with the page. Click to add a new rule, then choose to share via a link. Now, click on the highlighted option to make sure link sharing is turned on and that it's configured the way you need. Next, click on Copy Link. This copies the page's shareable link to your clipboard. You're going to use this link to open the page from your second Notion account. Now, switch over to your other Notion account. You can do this in another browser, an incognito window, or by logging out and back in with your second account. Once you're in that second account, paste the link into your browser's address bar and open the page. When the page loads in your second account, you should see it exactly as it appears in the original workspace. Look for the menu or more options at the top right of the page and click the highlighted area that opens that menu. From this menu, select Duplicate. This tells Notion you want to create a copy of this page inside the account you're currently using, not just view the shared version. Finally, choose Duplicate with Content. This ensures Notion brings over everything, the layout, properties, and all the existing entries or blocks on that page. After a moment, you'll see a full copy of the page appear in your second account's sidebar, ready for you to organize, edit, and use independently of the original.